To make map animation video, I'm just going to pick the presentation document. So now that our presentation document is open, I'm going to go over to my uploads to bring in the image of my map that I have here. And I want to spread this out to fill in my whole page. Let me reduce the size of my page, and I'm going to bring this part down. So now I'm going to duplicate this page, and I'm going to come to this page, the second page here, and move where I want to highlight. Let me click on the image. We are highlighting the 7 continents of the world. So I'm going to still reduce this further and expand this. I want to highlight North America without showing a different continent. Now that we have this, let's duplicate this page again. I want to come to the third page and select the next country I want to highlight, which is South America. Now that we have that, we'll click on this third page, Ctrl D to duplicate, click on the image again, and want to highlight Africa. Let's spread this and bring Africa to the top. Now that we have this, let's duplicate this page again, and let's take this image here and come down to Asia. And let's duplicate this page, duplicate. I want to highlight other continents. Now that we are through, I'm going to go into this page, and I'm going to come to page timing here to reduce my page timing to 3. Let me enter that, and I'll apply it in between all pages. So all these pages timing are 3. I'm going to hover in between 2 page and go to add transition, and I'm going to be using the match and move transition. Let me click on the match and move, and I want to take the duration to 1 and apply it in between all pages. To preview our presentation, we want to come to this drop down that says all present mode and select on autoplay and go to present to see what our presentation is doing. You see that this is a quick way to make map animation video.